Now I will explain how to fault find out 5 volts and 3.3 volts DC. This is DC jack, pin number 4 and 5 positive pin. This voltage comes to U58. This is source, this is drain. First you should check here voltage is there or not. No voltage at this point. You should check from DC jack to this transistor pin number 1, 2, 3. Voltage at source pin number 1, 2, 3 is okay. No output voltage at D drain pin number 5, 6, 7, 8. How to check this transistor I will explain. This FET. This is P channel FET. This is P channel FET. P channel input source and drain output drain. So when you give negative voltage to gate, this will start function. If no output here, you should check gate voltage. See here, gate negative voltage important, P channel. This voltage comes to here, voltage divider network. This is very important resistor. These two resistors. When you give this resistors, when you give voltage to source, that voltage come out from gate also. When you give this negative voltage, this voltage goes to 0 or 5 to 0 volts. When here low voltage, this output will come out. In P channel, no voltage at gate or low voltage at gate, this voltage, this function will start. That means function is okay. When gate voltage high, no function, this will not function. P channel transistor, no output voltage at this point. So no output this point, you should check any P channel transistor. Gate voltage goes to high. When this voltage goes to high, this output will not present here. When this gate voltage low, this output will present. See here, when these two transistors will short, this voltage goes to, when this two transistors will short, this voltage goes to high. This voltage will not present. I will short this transistor here. We will see. This is U58. This is input voltage 1 to 3. Pin number 1 to 3. 14 volts input. Gate pin number 4. 4.5 volts. Output 14 volts. This is okay. When no voltage at this point, you should check Q18 and Q19. This Q18 and Q19, you should check this Q18 and Q19. Q18, Q19. 14.5 output voltage is okay. If it is short, see here, 0 volts. Voltage is okay. If transistor is short, we will short this transistor. If it is short, see here, no voltage. Voltage is okay. You should check this two transistor, no voltage at this point, output point. You should check this point. Okay, if it is gate voltage, gate pin number 4, 4.5 volts. Gate voltage is low. Gate voltage is low. We will short that one. We will short the transistor. Gate voltage goes to high. Output.
0.
Gate. This voltage goes to high. Output voltage goes to 0. No short. Output voltage 14 volts. Gate voltage in number 4. 3 to 4.5 volts. Okay. This voltage comes from 46, page number 46. This is page number 39. This voltage goes to U4, pin number 5, 6, 7, 8. You should check here voltage is there or not. nearly 18 volts will come here. I connected AD voltage 17 volts nearly. I connected 15 volts adapter. This voltage will come here 14 to 15 volts. No voltage at this point. You should check gate. When gate voltage goes to high, this voltage will not present. When gate voltage is low, this is P channel. This is P channel FET. So when this voltage goes to low or 0, that means 0 to 5 volts, this will conduct. This voltage come out from this pin to this pin. No voltage at this point. You should check gate pins and this voltage also, this voltage AC in voltage to gate pin. When if you any doubt here, you will remove this IC, this FET, and you should put one wire from 1 pin to 8 pin to 1 and check. After you should rectify the fault. Next, so no output this point, you should check pin number 4. This is U4. We will see U4 voltages. Pin number 1 in running condition 15 volts. Pin number 8 15.8. Pin number 4
0.
5 volts. 5 volts. Okay, right. Low voltage. P channel. This is P channel transistor. This is P channel transistor. Okay, this is OK condition. This is current limiting resistor. This voltage goes to DC bat out. You should check this voltage goes to page number 36. We will see page number 36. See page number 36. This is DC bat out. This voltage comes to U44 pin number 22. When you give voltage to pin number 22, this output will come out from pin number 19 and 21. No output voltage this point. You should check pin number 22. This voltage is OK. No voltage at this point. To change this IC. This is 5 volts and 3.3 volts. We will see some other circuits. No output 5 volts and 3.3 volts. This 3 volts goes to SIO chip. We will see at U44 IC. U44 IC. We will check here voltage. 4.9 volts. 4.9 volts. So 5 volts is OK. Next 3.3 volts. See here 3.27. That means 3.3 volts. So first step is OK. When first you connect adapter or battery, and you should check here at 5 volts and 3.3 volts regulator IC. This is 5 volts and 3.3 volts regulator IC. This is OK or not, you should check here. In some circuits, there is no output. 3.3 volts output will not here in this chip. How to find out that circuit, I will explain here. Only 5 volts regulator, 5 volts output will come out from this IC, but SIO chip wants 3.3 volts DC. I will explain that circuit. This is page number 44. This is power jack. This voltage come out from this jack. This voltage goes to PL2 PL1 through this PD3 transistor diode to this PQ31 transistor and current limiting resistor. This voltage goes to V in SRC. This voltage goes to charger IC. If any fault is there, you should check this. This is PNP transistor FET. You should check same in this way. Already I explained. You should check this GNR diode also. No voltage at this point. No output voltage at this point. You should check this resistors. When this resistor is connected, this output will come out from this IC. When this is fault, this voltage goes to high. this voltage will not come here. V in SRC, this voltage goes to page number 36. See here, V in SRC, this voltage comes to V in pin number 6. This voltage comes to pin number 6. But LDO 7 pin number out, this is 5 volts output, VL 5 volts output, but this voltage will not present. When you give this voltage V in pin number 6, this voltage will not present. When you give LDO EN on LDO, when you give voltage to this one, this is GNR 5.6 volts, this dropped 5.6 volts and remaining voltage will come here. That means 13 volts, that voltage dropped to this one and this voltage goes to pin number 4. When you give pin number 6 and 4 voltage, this output will come out pin number 7. No output voltage at this point, pin number 7. You should check pin number 5, 6 and pin number 4. Pin number 6 and pin number 4. When pin number 7, 5 volts is present here, this IC is okay. This voltage goes to directly, see here, this VL voltage goes to here, 3 volts and 5 volts enable. See here, 5 volt enable, 3 volt enable. This voltage comes to directly page pin number 14 and pin number 27. Enable 1, enable 2. When you give voltage enable 1 and enable 2, this output voltage come out from out 2 and out 1. This voltage goes to DH1 and DH2. DH2 voltage goes to this upper FET, DH1 voltage goes to this upper FET. When this voltage goes to upper FET, this is N channel FET. When goes to this voltage come out from this arrow mark goes to inside, that means N channel. This is outside, that is called P channel. This voltage come out from this one. When you give gate voltage, this voltage comes to here. This voltage goes to outside, this from coil. So no voltage at this point. You should check on pin EN 1 pin. No voltage at this point. You should check from VL voltage page pin number 7, and this voltage comes to from here to this place. This voltage comes to EN1, EN2. No 3.3 volts will present here. You should check this enable 2 pin. When you give 3 volts to here, this output voltage come out from DH2. This 3 volts goes to this 2 volts goes to this gate. This voltage come out from 18 pin to this place. So no 3.3 volts. This 3.3 volts goes to SIO chip. We will see another circuit, another type. This is Lenovo G530. This is DC jack. This voltage comes to from here PL through PL6 coil V in voltage. This voltage goes to page number 44, charger page. This voltage comes to here. You should check same in that way. This is drain and this is source. This output will come out from this place. You should check when any problem is there. You should check gate voltages. If this is P channel or N channel, you should check in this data sheet, in datasheet for you.net PDS 4435. If it is N channel, when you give voltage to gate voltage, this voltage come out from this one. This no voltage at this point. You should check this FET and this gate voltage. If it is P channel, this voltage low N, this voltage low voltage, this will conduct. If it is N channel, when you give voltage to gate, this will conduct. This is the current limiting resistor B plus. This voltage goes to 5 volts and 3.3 volts regulator. This is page number 47. Plus B voltage comes to PL13. This voltage goes to upper FET, and this voltage goes to V in pin number 6, and same this voltage goes to EN LDO Vs voltage. This voltage comes to from this voltage. You should check this voltage also. No voltage at this point. This voltage will not come out from this pin. VL voltage. See here, after enable 1, enable 2 voltage will come 3 volts, 2.5 volts to 3 volts. When this voltage come to here, this output will come out from this FETs. No voltage at this point, EN1 and EN2. You should check main power on. You should check page number 44. You should check PU8 LM393. So many sets have this IC, 8 pin IC. You should check this 8 pin IC LM393. This main power. How to check this one? You should check pin number 7 and 1. 1 voltage is there or not. No voltage at this point. You should check these 2 points. No output voltage this point. You should check these 2 points. These 2 points voltage is okay. No output at this point. You change this LM393. In this condition, in this set, power button have nearly 12 to 15 volts DC. Any laptop motherboard power button have 12 volts to 15 volts DC. You should check this 8 pin FET, 8 pin IC, 8 pin IC, that is LM393. See here in this circuit, V in voltage come to PL14 through this voltage comes to this IC through this resistor max 1999. This voltage goes to pin number 20. When you give voltage to this pin, this LDO voltage 5 volts come out from this IC, LDO 3 volts come out from this pin, but this voltage is not used in this circuit. So next, no voltage at this point or no voltage at this point LDO, you should check shutdown pin. In some there is no shutdown pin. When you give voltage V in plus V in, this voltage is come out immediately. When V in voltage is okay, no output voltage LDO 3, LDO 5, you should check any shutdown pin is there or enable pin is there, shutdown pin is there. You should check this shutdown pin voltage. See here, this is very important pin. Same this voltage goes to through this resistor, shutdown pin. After this voltage will come out. So 4 types is there. 5 if no now 5.3 5 volts and 3.3 volts will not present at output, you should check 4 types. One is this one, V in plus shutdown pin. You should check these 2 pins. In first model only you will give only this V in. This voltage will come out from this IC. No shutdown pin here. And see here, LDO in pin. So when you give voltage LDO out pin on LDO, you after this pin, this just like shutdown pin, LDO on LDO. That means when you give on LDO voltage, this output will come out from this IC. Only this IC come out from 5 volts, and this voltage goes to enable pin, and this voltage come out from this pin. This voltage goes to SIO pin. Without pressing, this voltage come out from this place. In Lenovo, when you should check power button voltage, if that is 12 volts to 15 volt, you should check LM393 will come. This one you should check 8 pin IC, you should check this IC, and this input and outputs also.